Okay, so for experiment number 10, you will have a worded problem. What is a worded problem? You will be given a condition, like you have to design a vending machine. Okay? So vending machine क्या करना चाहिए? When it receives INR2, it will dispatch a eclair, I don't know, some chocolate. Okay? And you have coins of 1 rupee and 2 rupees. Now we have seen how to form a state diagram for this. कैसे करेंगे? Let's start with state A, which is 0 0 balance. Now you have coin of 1 rupee and 2 rupees. So if you give 1 rupee input, it will move to state B, which is balance 0 1. And then one more condition C, when balance becomes 0 2. Clear? Now at the same time, when the balance is 2, you have to dispatch the candy or chocolate and go back to balance A. That is 0, because you have already dispatched 2 rupees equivalent of chocolate. So what will happen if you are in state A and feed? Now there are two chances. You feed rupees 1. So this is input rupees 1. Do you need to dispatch anything? No. So you will say don't dispatch anything. Correct? Now what will happen if you have 1 more rupee, INR 1? You will go to ideally rupees 2 state. And again, this is where if you are saying state C exists, it will not dispatch anything. But as soon as you reach C stage, you have to dispatch the candy. Correct? So instead of showing INR 1 with state 0, what I will say is go back to state A. If one more INR is credited and dispatch the candy. Understood? So we would have gone to C saying rupees 2 are now credited and then dispatch the candy and return to the A. So I am just simplifying that thing. Go back to A and dispatch the candy. Clear? Now what will happen if you are in state A and put directly INR 2? You will dispatch the candy, because we will go from A to C and then dispatch the candy and say balance is 0. So this is INR 2 and then slash 1. What will happen if you put, you have already put 1 rupee coin. Now if you put 2 rupees coin, what will happen? INR 2 in state P. So you will dispatch the candy and still your balance remains 1 rupee. So that is what you will say INR 2 output 1. So candies are released in 2 cases, and INR 0 and INR 1 and INR 2 can be considered as logic 0 and logic 1. So this is the state diagram from the word problem. Word problem क्या है? Design a candy vending machine that takes 2 rupees to vend the candy, and you have INR 1 and 2 rupees coin. Okay? So this is the state diagram from that worded problem. Next thing what you have to do, once you have the state diagram, you have to design circuit using JK flip flops. यहाँ पे states कितने हैं? 2 states है. कितने flip flop काफी रहेंगे? एक flip flop में हो जाएगा क्या? 2 ही states है तो बराबर है. एक ही flip flop से हो सकता है. And how you design this JK flip flop? What is the rule? If J0 K0 output remains previous output. If J is 1, output is 1 irrespective of K, but I will get K0. Then J is 0, K is 1, output is 0 irrespective of previous condition. And finally, if both are 1 1, output is toggle. ठीक है? अब प्रीवियस स्टेट 0 है, नेक्स्ट स्टेट 1 है, इनपुट 0 है, ठीक है, तो वी कॉल दिस एज टॉगल। तो जब भी ए से बी जाना है, आउटपुट शुड बी सिलेक्टेड फ्रॉम दिस। आउटपुट 1 लेके जाना है, ए टू बी 1 जाना है। सो 0 से 1 कहाँ जा सकता है, ये देखो 0 से 1 यहाँ जा सकता है ये वाले केस में, और 0 से 1 यहाँ जा सकता है अगर प्रीवियस आउटपुट 0 है, करेक्ट। तो दैट इज टॉगलिंग केस, जिसमें जे दोनों ही केस में 1 है और के क्या है, 0 और 1। सो 1 क्रॉस इज आउटपुट 1। So this way, previous state 0, next state 1. Your J is 1, K is don't care. If previous state is 0 and next state is 0, previous state 0, next state 0, 0 से 0 रहना है. So what you can do is you can maintain the previous state. That means 0, 0 is the valid input, and you can give 0, 1 also to achieve the final state 0. So I can say 0, which is common in both the cases, and don't care. Clear with this? Next, previous state अगर 1 है, that is you are in B. Next state is 0. So आपको 1 से 0 जाना है. इस टेबल में देखो 0 कैसे अचीव होता है, यहाँ पे होता है. So 0 cross 1 could be one valid state, and आपको टॉगल हो रहा है 1 से 0. So 1, 1 is another valid state. So 1, 1 is one common, and this is toggling. So I will say don't care 1. So this is previous state, next state J input K, and last case is 1 to 1, B to B. Clear? So what will happen? 1 to 1 आपको रखना है, तो previous state 1 चाहिए आउटपुट, तो J कैन बी 1, तो 1, 0 चलेगा, एंड प्रीवियस स्टेट मेंटेन रखनी है विच इज 0, 0, सो 0, 0 चलेगा. इफ यू सी दिस बिकम्स x 0. So this map you have to remember. Now with this map and the current input, you need to design this circuit, solve for J flip flop, K flip flop, and make the circuit and simulate. ठीक है, ये सिमुलेशन आपको करना होगा आइदर सर्किट्स पे या सिमुलेटर पे. मैं चाहूँगा कि आप इस बार सिमुलेटर पे करो. So these are the final two experiments, experiment number 9 and experiment number 10. अब ये वर्डेड प्रॉब्लम एग्जाम में पहले से डिफाइंड होंगे क्या क्या है. आई विल गिव यू ऑल सेट ऑफ वर्डेड प्रॉब्लम्स, यू कैन सॉल्व देम एंड रिमेंबर द सर्किट्स.